Hello everyone, I'm Noelle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a helmet wig for Toga, and how you can make one too. Before anything, we must analyze our references. Here we have two pictures of Toga. From this we can see Toga's hair is a pale yellow color, and is made up of two spiky buns with blunt cut bangs. The materials we're going to be needing are hairspray, a rat tooth comb, hot glue, pale yellow paint, batting, UHU glue, and a long pale yellow wig. If you want to know how to make a custom wig head, watch my tutorial on Momo Yaoyorozu's helmet wig. To start, take a long light blonde wig. Section out two pieces in the front for the bangs. Then cut off all the rest of the hair and save it for later. Apply some UHU glue and smooth down. Then apply some batting. Flatten it against the head, then cut off the excess. Cover the head in two sections to define the middle part. Cut out a chunk where your ear lays. Then close any gaps with more glue. To harden the edges, apply some glue until it's stiff. Then glue all the edges down so it lays flat. Take two flexible water bottles and cut into this shape. Then hot glue it down where you want the bun to lay. Taking some more batting, cut out a chunk and glue together. I believe my piece was about 6 by 12 inches. Apply some glue around the water bottle and wrap around. Make sure both of your buns are even. To round it out, apply some UHU glue and rub the batting together until smooth. To paint the base, take some yellow, brown, and white paint to match it to the hair. Then apply until the batting's fully covered. To cut the bangs, The longer section should reach just below your chin in a feathered out shape. Cut the outer edge of the bang at an angle until it's feathered out nicely in a swooping shape. The bang should be cut bluntly, just above the eyes. To make wefts for the base of the wig, take some hair and apply some UHU glue to the edge, making sure all the hairs are coated. When dried, flip over and repeat. To apply the hair, take the hardened edge and line it up with the middle part. Angle the rest of the hair towards the bun, measure, and cut. Glue down the hardened edge, then spray the rest of the hair with hairspray and smooth down, keeping the hair angled to the bun. Then apply some glue to the outer edge, making sure every section of hair is placed angled towards the bun so it actually looks like it's pulled up. Cover the base of the bun just like the rest of the hair, this time angling the strands however you want. To make it look messy, add some floating sections and spikes. Make these sections just like how we did the regular ones, then roll. Cut to a point, then spray with hairspray and form into shape. Attach these sections to the bun and smaller ones throughout the hair for depth. To clean up the edge, take a long strand and wrap around the edge of the bun. Cut the end of the strand to fray it out, then spray it down. Overall, I think this project turned out really well. Let me know how you think I did, and if you tried it for yourself. If you would like to see more cosplay DIYs from me, like the rest of Toga's gear, make sure you like and subscribe.